ahitwagera ku kirayi ishomero rya Monsiville Vocational Secondary School mu district ya Kabarore twashanga abazire batarikire bakuru bishomereri okubagambira icyabireho
nyino obusasi bwa mani ni isomero lino lya Monsiville eriyako irikalizo mwana wange musini ya 6 ebizamu byo mwaka guhire hamunondi balikweta karungi wa senior 4 okwekana sazino ebizamu tubikakora gaki tubikayijaga
abweke ntujya hano nakajya hano emirundi guno gwa musanje batuneheza ngo ebizamu nibijya betu tukorora ko kubikwije nibaturaganiza nyenye mulindeho nyencha yafoka nyencha hati kirokenu ncwiremu kanje hano isomero nyesaringe ndareho kimu kwica barampa amakuru amatufu
abazire no bagira ngo tine aho abana babo bari kwicizwa kuza kushomera ahabo bitagira results
indire kantu tinywire maize ncwire muninja kwikara isomero hano okuke bizamu bya abana bitu obirakayije
bakutubanja betu tukumanya senteze nambere bazitayire nabweke obusasi bwange ninsaba government ehuro obusasi bwaitu abazaire abo kuba tuli balimi alo byo kulya nibifwa ntuli amarone ga abandi
abana abebyezo byabo byabuzire nabajango bashobirwe tabara kumanya cyo gukora saho
nkaba nikola combination ya PAM ebizamu byange nkabikora kurungi mbasa nsaswire school fees nsaswire registration bete bizamu byalimbija twageza kutera isomero kubakaguza kike kufa bizamu bitaho kubantu rusakinga asimo mbatugamba we contact the school ngo tuhikire isomero so hata butwayikirira isomero batandika kutuplayinga that mbatugamba ngo ebizamu tubanza tulinde mu weekend twalinda weekend yaho
so twakwa kintu kibona nkabo baguma batuplayinga batugambira stories batubiyabia abamu batupinisereza so tutiyena twageza kuleta abazire nabo baguma babiyabia emirundi iye kuyehingureni so kirokino naito twatwamu n'abazire baitu bizire isomero tukurugota kafune results zaito
abandi nabajangwe nshongeji ne baraza batabyami banyuma y'imyaka yabo mushanju okufabusha
some of us abamu mulito tukasasura sente za job forms tukagiza job forms at 100,000 tukimanyire oba sente zo bakazitwara oba nazo bakaziriya nko kubalire zino red
kanyonyi no busasi wingi muno kusanga ngusazino abamu abana tukafilinga job forms government mukushoti listing abana bali mukumisinga chances bali mukuyimisinga nkabo nekini ino busasi abana bagenzi banga basinya fo ebizamu bakabire leasing bitu nabo tubakafuna ebizamu
the message almost to community to have love with my parents because my parents are overblaming me balene banjunana muno abo results so I felt even to in the mero kufuna ubusinge muka
Richard Friday orukure byo bwegisa hishomereri yashobore cyabiro
kakero kusosora andi mutongole kizamu bicaye name asitokero kusosora sente mbazitezama mirundi yebezo kwata saa charge kama sanga mkutonge milioni nkiyam mbaka kwibiro kusasura mu kakerero kayinguzamo sente zikoka milioni yebiri na mtegizo cyabere kiyenye that abana bakasente bakasasura bitu bakasara bukerero bwibugenzere neno bwibagenze sente za kanyaza y'amafala yinga zacu muri ATM
Jennifer Karure omugambirizi w'ekitongore cha UNEB turi kugamba nawe hasimu yaja mu tice yonka tubakaji kwatera byezo kandi yashoborere kibine kora
the guidelines with UNEB is once the school owes UNEB money that is also our catch point. We do not release the results until the school has cleared. However, the school, because we work with the school is at liberty to come and say, you know what, this is how much UNEB is owing. We are owing UNEB. We are able to pay this. Let us release the results of the candidates. You can clear up. I don't know how much they owe the board.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.